Experiencing recording problems with your Spectrum TV app? Don't worry, you're not alone. The most common fixes involve a quick app restart, which has a 70% success rate. Next, make sure your Spectrum account has DVR enabled. Then check your internet speed. A stable 25 megabits connection is crucial. And finally, make sure your app is up to date. Automatic updates usually resolve firmware mismatches. If these steps don't work, the Spectrum app has a built-in support chat with AI bots to help you troubleshoot further, or you can contact support directly. Spectrum's Cloud DVR stores recordings remotely, so a reliable internet connection is key. Recordings are stored on remote cloud servers, allowing access across multiple devices without local hardware. Setting it up is simple. Log into the Spectrum TV app, navigate to DVR or recordings, and enable Cloud DVR if prompted. Storage-wise, you get 100 hours of free HD storage with options to expand to 200 hours for $5 a month or unlimited for $10 a month. Monitor your usage in the Manage Storage section and enable Auto Delete to prevent new recordings from failing. If recordings still fail, double-check you are logged in, are using a compatible device, Android 10 Plus, and are not using a VPN. Wired connections are best, as Wi-Fi can cause interruptions.